IELTS speaking tips. Same question, different band scores. What are some advantages of living in a city? Band 5. Answer.
I think living in a city is good because there are many shops and places to go. It is also easy to travel because there are buses and trains. So I think it is more convenient for people.
Why is this a Band 5? Fluency and coherence. Short, simple ideas. Some hesitation implied. Lexical resource. Basic vocabulary. Repetitive. Grammar. Mostly simple sentences. Limited range. Occasional inaccuracies likely. Pronunciation. Generally understandable, but with unclear stress in places. Typical of Band 5, communicates meaning but lacks detail, range, and precision. Band 7.5 Answer.
I'd say one clear advantage of city life is accessibility. You can reach supermarkets, hospitals, and entertainment within minutes, which saves a lot of time. Another benefit is the reliable public transport system, which makes moving around much easier and cheaper.
Why is this a Band 7.5? Fluency and coherence, well-connected ideas, smooth pacing. Lexical resource, good range, e.g., accessibility, reliable, entertainment. Grammar, mix of simple and complex structures with good control. Pronunciation, clear and easy to follow with effective stress. Typical of Band 7.5, detailed and natural, with only minor slips. Band 9 Answer.
Living in a city offers several advantages, but the most significant is the sheer concentration of services. Everything, from specialized medical care to diverse dining options, is available almost instantly, which dramatically improves quality of life. On top of that, cities provide efficient transport networks and countless social and cultural opportunities that you simply can't find in smaller towns.
Why is this a Band 9? Fluency and coherence, effortless, fully developed, and cohesive. Lexical resource, precise, sophisticated vocabulary, specialized, dramatically improves, cultural opportunities. Grammar, wide range of complex structures with complete accuracy. Pronunciation, natural, flexible, and easy to understand throughout. Typical of Band 9, fully articulate, nuanced, and polished responses. Now it's your turn. How would you answer this question? Drop your answer in the comments, and I'll let you know if it sounds more like Band 5, 7, or 9. And don't forget to subscribe for more IELTS speaking hacks. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. See you tomorrow.